From the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series, in number 10 of 15 in the Epic Editions, is the Radical Rescue Monster Jam truck. The first time it has ever been released, and the last time it will be ever released as a Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck. On the back of the package, let's see the trucks. We have Gravedigger in Epic Editions, El Toro Loco and Chromo Frost, Big Kahuna and Tour Favorites. Then Bad News Travels Fast and Clear Crushers. There's Crusader and X-Ray Body, Monster Mutt Junkyard Dog in the MJ Dog Pound, Brutus in the MJ Dog Pound, and Pirate's Course and Tour Favorites. But first, before I unbox Radical Rescue, there is some interesting facts behind this truck. The first Radical Rescue body was a 1955 Chevrolet Camo monster truck, and it was driven during the years of 2002 to 2003. The chassis was formerly a Gravedigger 10. The truck was planned to be Beware of the Junkyard Dog, but the name was changed after 9/11. The Junkyard Dog idea was put on the body that would have been used for Hulk had the Marvel sponsorship not fallen through, and Monster Mutt was created. The body design would later be used on the 2013 version of El Diablo. Radical Rescue is one of two trucks that were created as a direct result of 9/11. Despite retiring in 2003, the truck was scheduled to have a Hot Wheels release in 2005. This was canceled. For the 2018 release of the truck, it strangely features a completely different but very well detailed design, leading many to speculate the possible return of the truck in the future. So that's pretty interesting about Radical Rescue. So let's go ahead and unbox, take a look at it. Alright, Radical Rescue into the arena. Wow! Look at this body design. Completely different than we have ever seen on another Monster Jam truck. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look. It has the BKT Hot Wheel tires as we expected. The wheels are yellow. Up close. If it will focus, my camera will focus. It has the Hot Wheels logo, the Monster Jam logo there, and it's a little bit different. I thought that it would look different. I mean, I didn't think it would look that way. There's the Radical Rescue name, what it looks like. Gotta bring it around now to the front of the truck. Look at that front of the truck. That's really different design for a Monster Jam vehicle that we have never seen before. And coming around, they probably wanted a cool design for it. And there's the opposite side of Radical Rescue. Now the tailgate, there's lights on the back of the truck, and then we have that Monster Jam logo on the back of the truck. So you can see that Monster Jam logo a lot better than the ones on the sides. Now on the roof of the truck, it has this fancy looking yellow strip going down, and then it, like, I guess it's supposed to continue the whole way down on the trunk of the, not the trunk, on the hood of the truck. The real Radical Rescue Monster Jam truck, if you remember, or you can go back and look at pictures, it has a light on top of the truck, and so this one doesn't. But interesting design for Radical Rescue, and to come out in the last year for the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. So that wraps up this unboxing and review of Radical Rescue. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and please hit the like button, because that will help me out as well for my channel.